What's going on, guys? We are back with the 1960 Buick. Got all the inside stripped out today. Got the inside cleaned up, bed lined the inside, getting it ready for paint. Took all the door panels off. Got the trunk cleaned out. Same with it also. Got it bed lined. Cleaned it up first. Took the hubcaps off. Cleaned up the motor a little bit. A little bit cleaner than what it was last time whenever we first got it in. Soaked it down to degreaser. And then power washed it afterwards. It's going into paint a week from tomorrow. Guy will have it for a couple weeks. He's gonna do all the body work on it, which there isn't much to do. Sand it down. It's gonna be pretty close to the same color. Couldn't find a perfect color match. It's gonna be it's gonna have a little bit more silver flake in it than what it does now. Still gonna be green. Got the new carpet for it today. It's already all cut, laid out. It's got all the insulation and padding on it already. Took the seat belts out, getting new seat belts in. Gonna have the seats completely redone. Went out and bought some car dollies for the truck, make some more room in the shop to get the Buick in here. Definitely pretty nice, easy to move the truck around. One guy can do it all. Just give it a push and it rolls away. Gonna get new hubcaps for the car whenever it gets repainted. Gonna have the back bumper re-chromed, the front bumper re-chromed. Gonna maybe take some of the door or the window trim. A couple of them got little dings in them. Get those taken off and either fixed and re-chromed or just see if we can buy new ones. We got a U for the Buick coming. It's gonna get retrofitted LED headlights after the paint's done. Windows are going to get a small tint to them after the painting's done also. I'm going to have the motor gone through. Don't know if we're going to rebuild it. Just go in there, probably just going to replace the gaskets and check for anything. Like I said, it's got 44,000 original miles on it, so the motor really runs great. Just it's been sitting since '91, so gonna go through, replace all the gaskets, make sure everything's good to go, and then it's gonna be another Sunday driver, just like the 62 Impala we got sitting over there underneath the car cover. And then hopefully we'll go from this one to working on that one. It always takes time. So we got some stuff coming for the Corolla. Gonna be getting the turbo manifold. Probably not this coming up week, but the week after, gonna be getting it. Then I'm probably gonna end up buying the all the turbo piping for it, buy the intercooler. Gotta get the windows tinted still. Gotta get some new wheels for it. But it's gonna be coming along here pretty soon. Gotta get another truck up and going. Gonna try and get another truck up and going this coming week, so we can start working on the Corolla, get it in the shop. So we'll keep you guys updated on everything, and until next time, thanks.